Shadow.
Could you take this? Come on.
I want to be in it though.
He ate it good. Alright, Kipper, you want one? Yep.
Kipper, you're stupid.
It's down there. Right there, Kippy.
Right.
There he goes. Alright, now watch. Here,
feel
Kelly,
cool.
you give Shadow one.
Am I gonna?
Oh, jeez!
I can do it.
Alright, try
Kill-
Kipper first, because she's a little smaller.
Well, Kipper, did you like a hot dog? I don't want it to bite me.
Oh,
Good boy, Shadow.
Good job, you ate a
How about you,
hot
Jacob
dog.
boy?
Oh,
Jack, would you
yeah.
like to
Kale, take that.
eat it.
Whose is this?
That'd be Shadow.
God, Jack, look at the size.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm feeding the dogs.
All the
Hey,
time.
Brian, your turn.
Here, Kipper. Now you can hold it. Now you can hold it in their mouth. There, Kippy. You hold it in your hand and let them eat it. That
Brown
way.
dog cheese.
Oh, it's
I
Shadow.
I just gave one to Shadow. I'm feeding Shadow.
Hold on. Let me
I'm
watch
feeding
Shadow. Let me show you his
I
feed Shadow.
like to feed Kipper because
Here,
she's not
Shadow.
as feisty.
Oh, shit. I was
See,
going to hold on
Kipper,
to it.
Ron, every time, this was it. All of a sudden, I was transferring laundry. Ran over to the bed and I went bang. All of a sudden, she came out and started
Here you go,
barking. And I
Kipper.
said,
all three of you grab it.